Hi everyone! Today I was thinking of making a bee. I have searched around the internet since I'm not that aware of how to make a bee. Uh, and I found some pretty interesting ones, ideas of course. Um, and I'm just gonna it together and yeah, we'll see how it goes. So let's get into it. First, I will start with the body. I just used some yellow clay, polymer clay, of course, and shaped it into a bowl. And what we're just gonna do now is gently rub it. Like, I need to mention, I have never done this before. I have never made a bee before, so this is just from what I remember seeing. So we just see how it goes. Yeah, I guess it's fine. And then we will take some black clay and I just quickly shaped it into a ball. And then I will roll it out in a long line. String, thing, yes, something. I guess this one is long enough. Yeah. Okay. And then what I will do now, I'm sorry, it's over there, is I will roll it out. But I was actually thinking first using this, but I was like, maybe we should try on my pasta machine. And since I have a very bad camera, or like holder thing for my phone, it's a little hard to show you. So ta-da! And then I will cut it. So it will have a little nicer shape. I can't seem to get this one even. I've tried everything now. So I guess we just try. Yeah, we just try. Okay. So what I was thinking of doing is maybe cut it in half. And then I was thinking wrap it around somewhere. Yeah. I have no clue of how to do it. Yeah, let's take you away over here. Well, that didn't go how I wanted it to. Well, there's nothing to do than just continue. So the next thing is the eyes, and I will need a tool. And then we will attach the eyes. Boop, boop, boop. Boop, 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 boop. I totally forgot that I have to attach the bee doodle, you know, the poke poke. I don't know what it's called. And I saw another craft on YouTube using this instead of clay, as this would secure more. So I'm just gonna. I don't know what there. Boop. Yeah. Boop. And then we're gonna attach the clip toothpick thing into here. Okay, I want it there. Yeah. Boop, 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 boop. Yep. And then we put that one in. And now that I try to attach it a little more, now it's onto the face. Yep. Okay. And this is how it looks halfway done. I only need the eye pen and color this one black. But since I'm not satisfied with this one, I'm not gonna turn it into an eye pen. And I will not color this one before it's been baked. But yeah, this one will always be a reminder of horror. Yep. So here's the end result. Kinda. I didn't finish it completely. Yeah. I'm not so satisfied with it. It's cute and everything. It's just the bumps that was there. You see, like it's uneven. Can I even make it focus? Can you focus? No. But there's these bumps here, and yeah, here you can really see it. Boop. Hello? No? Okay, no. And the mouth did actually go okay. But yeah. Well, that's just how it is. We learn every day. Yeah. So this is how it turned out. Bzzz. Wait, can I do that? Bzzz. Bzzz. Bzzz.